Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am still here in the beautiful Aulani. I have another Louis Vuitton bag unboxing for you guys. So I'm so excited to share with you guys what I picked up, and I will tell you all about Hawaii pricing as well. So if you want to check out the beautiful new item I added from Louis Vuitton, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom. In my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thanks so much for watching another video. Alright guys, so I am here in the beautiful Aulani on Oahu in Hawaii. I come here probably twice a year now and do a lot of luxury shopping, and I always love sharing with you guys what I pick up live from Hawaii. And also I love sharing with you guys Hawaii pricing, because on a lot of the luxury goods here you get a little bit of extra savings. So I love disclosing and sharing with you guys all about that stuff. I will say it's been a beautiful trip here. If you haven't checked out my first unboxing video of my little luxury accessories I picked up, I will link it down below. I talk a little bit about the vacation in that video, so I'm not going to repeat it again, but it's been really amazing staying here at Aulani. I do want to give a quick shout out. So one of you caught me in the Aulani gift shop last night. So thank you so much for saying hi. It's so nice to meet you and to actually realize that you guys are watching these videos. Sometimes you kind of forget that when you talk to a camera and post it, you don't really think about that people are actually literally watching you. So thank you so much. It made me feel so good for you to stop by and say hi. So I just want to give that quick shout out. I hope you're having an amazing vacation here as well. All right, so here we go. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from Louis Vuitton. And it is in this beautiful, I think this is a Hawaii edition bag. I may be wrong, but if not, it's at least kind of their by the pool look. So I absolutely love this. In case you are wondering, Louis Vuitton does put out limited edition Hawaii bags. I think maybe a couple times a year, at least once a year, because I've seen so many different versions. You probably have seen the Neverfull ones where they did the Hawaii print. They did a Hawaii by the pool, I think a year ago. And then they did a on-the-go bag with a Hawaii print, which I was very tempted by and kind of regret I didn't pick that up a couple years ago. And then I asked the sales associate, what is their current Hawaii specialty piece? And this season, it's the raffia bag. It's a full raffia, I think, and it has a little patch in the middle with a circle and it says Hawaii. Although I love that, I couldn't splurge on a raffia bag that says Hawaii on it from Louis Vuitton. So I did pass. I'm kind of holding out for a Hawaii, like another Neverfull to come out or something like that. So I will keep you posted during future trips if I actually come across a Hawaii bag that I actually want to splurge on. But in case you're wondering, that is what was out currently. So this is not a specific Hawaii bag, but love the packaging. The sales associate was really fun to work with. I picked up the cosmetic pouch as well, as you probably will have seen in my last video, and I went for this item. She also threw in a lot of really beautiful samples of perfume, which I love. Especially on vacation like this, it's nice to have those little sample ones, so I don't bring my whole full-size bottles with me. All right, here it is. It's a small bag, as you can see, but one that's I had my eye on since it launched. Now is the time, because I could save a little bit of money. All right, so here we go. You guys have seen this packaging before. I'm just going to quickly unbox it here. A little closer shot so you can see the details up close. Excited for this one for sure. I had my eye on it and was kind of making a beeline for this in the store. I think this was the last one too. It has a beautiful printed tissue paper, if you can see that there. And a really nice sticker, just so beautifully wrapped. And then another sticker here. All right. So Louis Vuitton has really upped their game with the tissue paper. If I recall, whenever I purchased bags in the past, it's the dust bag, throw it in the box, but no tissue paper. So this was a double wrapped tissue paper situation. Really nice. So I appreciate that. For you Louis Vuitton enthusiasts, you can probably guess what this is. It's no surprise. You can see the shape. But it's my first item of this particular style in my collection, so really excited about it. All right, so here we go. I'm just going to reveal to you the newest addition to my collection. It's kind of camouflage, but it's the beautiful Empreinte mini bum bag. Look at that. So cute. I love this color. It's so classy. It is the cream color, I think is what it's called. And it came in black as well, in addition to the bicolor. I didn't want to go for the bicolor because I thought it was a little too striking contrast. I love the black. It had the gold tone hardware as well. But honestly, I have a lot of black bags like that, so I couldn't do another black. The monogram, I definitely had my eye on when this first launched, but I mean, I cannot tell you how many monogram bags I have. So I just tried to steer clear of that. In my opinion, I think this looks pretty similar to the monogram utility bag that I already own. So I didn't want to pick it up in monogram. But when I saw this cream color, I mean, this was it. I don't have anything like this in my collection. All right, so here is the beautiful bag. Let's see, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. It's hard to tell with the gold font here, but it does say that with a couple little grommets. It has the little small zippered section here where I don't think you can fit much, maybe a key fob for the keyless entry cars. That would be perfect. And then let me zip it up. One of the negative feedbacks that I think people give about this bag is that it's hard to open, and that is true. This is a little bit hard to open. The zipper is smooth, but it's a little bit awkward in terms of the flow of it, but it does open. And this bag, as you probably know, comes with two straps. So one is a leather strap where you can do crossbody, and of course I will show you mod shots, but this particular one is adjustable. It has the kind of belt type of style adjustability here, and it has the classic Louis Vuitton D-ring style clasp on the ends. And then the other strap is a beautiful chain strap. So this is really, really pretty. I mean, this is a chunky strap where you can tell it's good quality. This is what the link looks like, in case you're wondering, but this is just gorgeous. And of course it is branded on the ends here with Louis Vuitton, the classic D ring type of clasp too. But it comes with these two options, and then when you look inside, it's this microfiber lining. So it does have Louis Vuitton branding here. I think this is made in Italy. It's hard to read with the gold foiling. And then it again has the fully microfiber lined compartment with no pockets or anything on the inside. So I will let you know that this does hold my large iPhone. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I tried it on the store with a case, and it does fit comfortably. This is not going to hold a lot, but it will hold your essentials, and that's kind of what I wanted with this particular bag. As I try this out more, I will do a full what's in my bag and what fits video, because I know that's what a lot of people are curious about, these mini bags, if they can hold your essentials. So depending on how much you carry, it likely will, but I will do a dedicated video about that in the future, so stay tuned for that. Let me show you a few mod shots with this little cute bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna strap on the leather strap first, and I love how both of these are adjustable. So you can wear one or the other, or even both, to be honest, if you want a little bit of a chain detail with your look. But I'm gonna clasp both here. And currently, let's see, the setting is the longest setting. If you want to make it shorter, you can. I think if you want to make it shorter, it'll be something like this, where you could do a little leather strap shoulder carry, which I probably won't do. I'm probably going to use the leather strap as a crossbody type of a situation, which is really what I think this is meant to do. But here is the longest length. So if you're tall, you probably need an extender. You can use the chain to extend this strap as well. But for me, this was perfect. So here's what it looks like on. So I think this is meant to be a higher crossbody. It's like a bum bag style. Some people wear it like this, although I probably won't. I think the best way for me is kind of like a little bit of more of a sling type of a look, crossbody type of a look that's a little bit higher up like this. So I'm gonna wear it like this. So I think this is a really cute look like this. It's adorable. I mean, how can you deny how cute this is? I love the ivory because it's something different. It doesn't really scream Louis Vuitton, although you can definitely see the embossing. It's definitely more subtle, I would say. And something that I don't already have in my collection. So I love how this particular look is on. And then you can attach the chain strap in addition to this if you'd like. So I'm probably not going to do this because when you add the chain strap on here like this, it does weigh the bag down more. I think it looks kind of cool though to have this hanging, I will say, but I probably won't wear it like this. I think when I want to wear it crossbody, I'm going to just have the leather strap. But you could do this. I know a lot of people do this. It's nice because it's versatile. You can have both straps at the ready if you want, but if it's an occasion that I want something more casual, I'm going to use the leather strap. But what's nice about this is you can take off the leather strap and then make it look a little bit more dressy. So this is partially why I went for the ivory color. I think the ivory more than the canvas looks dressier. I think the black also looks dressy, honestly, but I didn't need another black bag. So this ivory though, to me, maybe even more than the black, the ivory and gold combination just looks really dressy to me and really classy. So I love how this is an option, and this is a really cute going out bag in what I would say. So especially going to dinner, I think if you take off the leather strap, add on this beautiful gold tone strap and put it over your shoulder. This is a really cute little shoulder bag, as you can see. So I'm going to use this. I think in the video on the website, the model kind of styled it like this. But you can do it like this. You can also, of course, do it handheld like this, but I probably will just sling it over my shoulder if I'm going out to dinner somewhere. Really, really perfect. It's nice how it's so versatile. I think it definitely changes the look. The leather makes it look more casual. The chain strap, obviously, it looks a lot more dressy. So I loved how this looks. I think it's so cute. So that's why I kind of was drawn to this particular style, but also the look. So let me go ahead and share with you guys a little bit more about pricing and other details of this beautiful little bag. I do want to say that they had other styles in this beautiful cream empreinte leather. The printing on this particular one isn't super deep, which I'm not really thrilled about. It would be nicer if it was a little bit more embossed, but you can still see the embossing on here. The other cream bags, I think they made it in so many. I saw it in the Loop GM, I think. I saw it in a couple of, the Pochette Matisse East West. There was another little, just the Pochette clutch type of a style look in this color. But I thought this one was the best in terms of going both casual and dressy. I also am a little worried about color transfer, obviously. I asked the sales associate about that. She said they just recommend a damp, moist cloth and then just wiping it off. If you get a little color transfer, you could try a little of a leather moisturizer. And you can also bring it back into the boutique, she said, and they can try their best at it as well. With this small silhouette though, she didn't think it was going to be a huge problem, and I probably agree with that because it's such a small little bag. It's not going to rub a lot on your clothes, and because it's a higher up crossbody when you wear it that way, or a higher up shoulder bag, it's really going to hit your top as you saw in the mod shots. It doesn't really hit your black pants or dark jeans. Just based on where it sits. So this hopefully won't be a problem. That's obviously the biggest worry for me with this beautiful ivory color, just getting it dirty. But I didn't want to be fearful of that because I just think it's such a beautiful color combo that I wanted to go for it. The other reason I think this is perfect for my collection is I don't have anything like this that I can easily take to look casual and then dressy as well. Another similar one that I do use for that kind of purpose is my Chanel Walk. I think that also tends to lean casual depending on how you style it, but can also obviously be dressy. So that's what I use a lot for that reason. And I thought, well, I don't really have a lighter color bag like that I could go casual to dressy so easily. My Chanel 19 is in a lighter color that I could potentially use casual or dressy, but then it's a lot bigger bag, so I think that lends itself to be more casual. So a small bag that can do casual to dressy, I think is super versatile, especially on vacation. I'm going to be traveling more with this little guy because it's really nice to wear it around kind of casual, you know, around the resort during the daytime. But then when you want to go to dinner, just throw on the gold chain and you have a little cute going out bag. We are probably I shouldn't say probably, we are going to be going on another Disney cruise soon, and I'm going to take this bag probably, just because I can do both things with it. You can do it casual or dressy, so I think it's great to take this to dinner on a cruise looking like this, but then during the day, if you want to walk around shops, you know, something a little nicer but still casual, the crossbody option works a lot better. So I cannot believe I have this little cute bag. When it first came out, I will say I wasn't a huge fan when it first came out in monogram because, again, I have a lot of monogram bags that look similar, but I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. I thought it was maybe too small, but the more and more I thought about it, this grew on me, and then I saw it launch in this color, and that was it. I had to have it. So I'm excited that I was able to pick this up. I think that was the last one as well in the store. So let me tell you a little bit more about pricing, because Hawaii pricing did apply to this particular bag. So again, this is the mini bum bag in cream on leather, and on the website it retails for $2,160, and I paid $1,960. So that was pretty good savings, $200, which is a pretty good deal, I would say. Plus I saved about 4.7% in taxes as well. So it was really worthwhile to pick this particular bag up. In fact, I got the leather version for less than I would have gotten the monogram canvas version for. So this is an example of at Louis Vuitton, you can save a pretty decent amount on their leather items. So if you have your eye on something and you're here in the islands, definitely check that out. Alright guys, there you have it. That was my Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. I'm excited to wear this around the resort, as I will later today. Stay tuned. I do have one final luxury unboxing to share with you guys from Dior, which beautiful bag that I'm about to share with you guys. I'm so excited about. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Aloha!